Samuel Jackson coming live to you from Fox Sports Bolingbrook in Atlanta, Georgia, bringing you the latest news surrounding world sports. From Inside Sports, the news you can almost trust. Now getting right into it, Ben Roethlisberger, the serial girl snatcher, he has been suspended for yet 2 additional games. Why? Because of a locker search. So what was in this locker? Let's get it. Handcuffs, chloroform, formaldehyde, lime, and rope. Okay, if this doesn't tell me you're about to hit again, something is wrong. Now, when officials asked him, why was this in your locker? He simply shrugged his shoulders and said, I don't know, maybe we'll do some gardening this weekend. Unless you're planting blonde roses and watermelon boots, I don't think you'll be getting a suntan anytime soon, man. Well, since then, he's been suspended from 6 to 8 games, and some of his current NFL alumni do not agree with him. O.J. Simpson, the murderer who got off but then landed in jail. Karma, right? Anyways, he called in and said, this is unjustified, and the NFL should come down harder. O.J., we're not accepting collect calls from prison right now. You should save that for family and attorney, right? Anyways, you guys know the quarterback, Michael Vick. He called in as well. Peter's #1 fan, right? Well, he said that the NFL has no room for this type of behavior. But because of all the dog barking and crying and gunshots in the background,